A new law passed in the State House strips authority from the state's Building Code Council, overriding the governor's veto. That move put a freeze on some residential building code updates for new homes. WRAL climate change reporter Liz McLaughlin shows us how that could affect energy efficiency and safety for years to come.
During Hurricane Florence, storm force winds were felt nearly 150 miles inland. Now, ahead of the peak of hurricane season, a new North Carolina law bans most of the state from requiring an inspection to make sure a home's frame can withstand high winds.
We feel like a sheathing inspection would slow up the building process.
Stephen Webb with the North Carolina Home Builders Association says the group lobbied to halt parts of the latest residential building code because of affordability, estimating that the provisions for energy efficiency would add $20,000 to the cost of a new home.
All those things add up, and not just the materials, but also the labor that it takes to do those things, and that's how we came to that number.
A lab with the U.S. Department of Energy estimated the added cost to be far less, between about $4,000 and $6,000, and that savings on energy bills would pay off the upfront costs in a few years.
That $20,000 estimate was pretty overinflated and undersold the benefits of these building code updates.
North Carolina last updated its code in 2018, with standards set long before then.
It's really more of equivalent to being somewhere between 2009 and 2012.
Putting North Carolina's building code behind neighboring states and concerning some building safety experts.
On the energy efficiency side, you got to look at a long-term versus a short-term gain. When we look at the durability and safety of the structure, though, it just makes no sense to me.
It will be at least a few years before parts of the code are updated, and comprehensive changes may not happen until 2031. Liz McLaughlin, WRAL News.
Right now, the governor appoints the Building Code Council, but under the new law, building code changes can start in 2025 by a new council comprised of a mixture of seats appointed by the House, Senate, and newly elected state governor.